Let's talk about exercises that can help improve knee extension after a total knee replacement that you can do right here at the kitchen sink. I'm going to share two of my favorites, and these are exercises that are working other parts of the body while improving the knee's extension. After a total knee replacement, extension is one of the most important elements that we want to regain so that we're walking normally without a limp or without a flexed knee, which causes a shortened leg. The first way we're going to work on knee extension is a simple counter push-up. So if you think of the kitchen sink, most of the time there's an open space here. I can lean into the sink and push away. A push-up is an upper body exercise. I'm working triceps, I'm working chest, but at the same time, if you can see from my heel staying down on the ground, my quadriceps staying tight, I'm pressing the knee back into extension as I lean forward. What you'll find is that you're going to feel a big pull in the top of the calf, back of the knee. Anybody who has a Baker cyst or any kind of tightness or restriction in the posterior joint capsule, that person usually has trouble extending the knee. This is a great exercise to help facilitate that knee extension. And while it is an upper body, chest, and tricep exercise, when I'm in the forward position, I want to really try to get those knees fully extended, quads tight, heels down as much as possible. The second version of this, which is a lot easier, I typically will just take a standard pillow, we'll fold it over, we'll set the toe right under the counter, under the toe kick. We'll put the pillow between the knee and the counter, and all I'm doing is I'm bringing my hips toward the counter. I can grab into the sink. This is functioning to gently press the knee back into extension. I can come back and relax to take the pressure away, but I can lean into it to create that pressure. This would replicate when your physical therapist is giving you a little gentle posterior glide or pressure. You can have the pillow high, you can set the pillow low, you can try different positions. If this isn't enough, you can go to a bigger pillow or a double pillow. But the idea is we want to get into positions that are a little bit novel, a little bit different. They're confusing the brain, the nervous system. It's something you're not used to feeling. That's where the rest of the improvement's going to come from. Because if we keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, the body adapts and we lose the benefit of the change.